Why does your scanner show the P07AA engine code? What does it mean? P07AA is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission friction element, E, performance, or stuck off. The P07AA engine code for indicate your vehicle's powertrain control module or transmission control module has detected that a specific internal transmission clutch, band, or brake is either slipping. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low or burnt transmission fluid, defective shift or pressure solenoid, internal friction element wear, electrical issues, mismatched tires or uneven tire pressure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volkswagen, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.